The amazing abilities of bats. Nearly everyone is familiar with the way in which the whistle of a train moving toward them lowers in pitch as the train passes. The change in pitch is caused by the change in the movement of the train relative to the listener. First, it is moving toward the listener, but after it passes, it is moving away. This change in pitch is called Doppler shifting. Now let's apply this principle to the bat's echolocation system. Bats are most sensitive to certain frequencies as they listen for the echo of their high-pitched squeak. If you are a bat, you listen for echoes from stationary objects around you, like trees, as well as moving objects, such as an insect that is about to become lunch. Because of the differences in the movements of these objects relative to your flight, Doppler shifting changes the pitch of returning echoes. That change could place a returning echo outside the range of frequencies to which you are most sensitive. Scientists have discovered that the bat solves this problem by calculating the expected change in frequency due to Doppler shifting, and then altering his squeak so that the returning echo is at the needed frequency. How many of us could do that without a computer and other sophisticated equipment? Amazingly, the Creator has gone so far as to make the bat a bit of a physicist so it can make its living. What an elegant testimony to God's wisdom and generosity. And bats have another special ability. Have you ever noticed that many who believe in evolution depict early humans as so primitive that they had to live in caves, while many kinds of animals built much more sophisticated shelters? This inconsistent thinking is built on the evolutionary assumption that intelligence, like everything else, has evolved. Creatures that evolutionists think evolved much earlier must be less intelligent. It was because of this unscientific evolutionary view that the scientist who first discovered the South American bats, who build and live in tents, refused to believe the bats were normal. The tent-making bat, as it is now called, carefully cuts the veins in palm leaves and folds the leaves over to create a protective tent. Each cut is made as though the bat is following a blueprint, and the resulting tent completely hides the bat within what appears to be nothing more than a folded over leaf. We now know that 14 New World bat species, as well as 2 Old World bat species, build tents. Scientists have also learned that the various species of tent-building bats have complex social customs that determine the design of the tent and how many individuals are allowed to live in one tent. Tent-making bats offer yet one more example of how the living world rises far above the expectations of those who believe in evolution. The limitations of human explanations should remind us that our focus should be on the things of God if we truly want to learn what we need to know in this world.